In today's video, we are going to cover everything in LuxAlgo signals and overlays, which is one of the most popular indicators on TradingView. It is a premium indicator, and if you are not using it right now, just click the link in my video description to get up to a 50% discount using annual payment. So, to apply the indicator to your chart after purchasing, just click the indicators button and go to invite only scripts. Today, we are going to be talking about this one, the signals and overlays indicator. So let's get into it. If you load up the indicator, you're going to see these bullish and bearish signals. These confirmation signals are based on a performance adaptive trend following methodology. As the name suggests, they aim to confirm any potential action we traders might take. And we can see there are some with a plus after the arrow and some without a plus. And you're going to see some candle coloring. We can see red colored candles, green colored candles, and purple colored candles. We can see here the smart trail overlay, which is showing the trend direction, either upwards colored in blue or downwards colored in red. And we can also see these small blue and red X signals. And here in the right bottom corner, we can see a small dashboard. These signals are called confirmation signals because they are there to confirm a trend. They are trend-based signals, meaning if the trend starts going down, you will see a red down arrow signal. And when the trend starts going up, you'll see a green up arrow signal. And you can see here when the trend starts to go down, we see a strong sell signal. A strong sell signal is indicated by this plus after the down arrow. So when you see a red down arrow with a plus, this is considered a stronger sell signal. It's part of a larger downtrend. So you can see the market's been downtrending for a while. So you'll see a strong down signal because it's going with the trend. So you see it relies on the trend changing direction. And when we're in an uptrend, let's say, we either see another up signal here, it will be a strong up signal because the macro trend is going up, so they're very easy to use. Next, we have our candle coloring. So we have green, purple, and red colored candles. Green means the market is going up. You can see the market starts going up and the candles are colored in green. Red means that the market is going down, and purple means the market might be going sideways or might be a bit choppy. So for purple candles, you might want to avoid trading on. For example, you can see here we have the purple candles and the normal buy signal, this one with the green up arrow. We had a bigger downwards movement of around 10%. Now the market is doing this choppy motion. It's not really forming a clear direction. So just by taking a look at the buy arrow and the purple colored candles, we better want to stay on the sidelines and not take any trades. Okay, let's move on. Here we can see these small X signals on our chart. So these X signals are exit signals, and these are basically suggesting that you might want to be looking at taking profit on your position. And even if you're not using the signals for entries and you just want to know when might be a good time to exit the market, you can use these. So you see here this red X at the bottom of the downtrend that signifies that if you're in a short position, because it's a red X, you might want to take profit. And you can see it here as well. They are really good at pinpointing market bottoms, these red X signals. So you see, perfect take profit. The opposite is true for the blue X signals. The blue X signals signify take profit on an uptrend or a long signal. So these are saying if you're in a long position, you might want to exit your position. So very simple to use. Now to the smart trail indicator, which is these blue and red lines with this little bit of a cloudy area. By definition, the smart trail is a trailing stop that diverges from the price in the presence of unwanted price variations in a trend. An uptrend is indicated when price is above the trailing stop, and a downtrend when price is below the trailing stop. The support, which is this one in blue, and the resistance, which is this one in red, areas are also displayed by the smart trail and aim to indicate when price might reverse when entering the area. Let me show you an example. Here we can see we had a little bit of an uptrend. The price enters into the blue cloudy area, and then the price action reverses into a downtrend. Now for the next very important part of this toolkit, let's talk about the dashboard. The dashboard displays the most relevant metrics from within the premium features. This feature is extremely useful to easily obtain pertinent information regarding the market and can be used in confluence with confirmation or contrarian signals. The first dashboard element that we can see is the optimal sensitivity. The optimal sensitivity is an estimate of the optimal sensitivity setting depending on the selected signal mode. The recommended sensitivity for confirmation or contrarian signals will be displayed. We are on default settings, so if we click the settings button, we can see here the signal mode is set to confirmation and exits, and the signal sensitivity is set to 12. Actually, the dashboard says that the optimal sensitivity would be 19. So we could change the sensitivity just right here in the settings to 19. Or we can scroll down to the advanced settings and choose to use the autopilot sensitivity. This option adjusts the sensitivity dynamically. This value is obtained through grid search optimization by using the most recent 250 bars and varies in a range between 10 and 20. Let's see what happens if we change to autopilot sensitivity. We can choose in which frequency the signals are displayed. If we choose to use the short-term option, we get a lot more signals. And if we choose to use the long-term option, we get fewer signals. I am actually on the 4-hour time frame, so I personally would prefer to use the autopilot signals on long-term. You can see as I chose to use autopilot, when autopilot sensitivity is enabled, the recommended sensitivity will not appear on the dashboard and is replaced with an indication notifying us that autopilot is enabled. But let's turn off the autopilot mode again. We can see the cell color is based on the signal returned by the signal algorithm using the returned optimal setting, with a green color indicating a bullish signal and a red color indicating a bearish signal. Okay, let's move on to the trend strength. The trend strength quantifies the strength of an underlying trend as a percentage and can inform us whether the market is trending or ranging. This indication can help us know whether a signal has higher chances of being false or not. The fire emoji is used with trending markets, while the snowflake emoji is used for ranging markets. The cell color is based on the currently displayed signal, with a green color indicating a bullish signal and a red color indicating a sell signal. A percentage superior to 50% would indicate a trending market, while inferior percentages would indicate a sideways market. The Lux volatility indicator is a measure of the market's volatility. It returns either stable during periods of low volatility or volatile during periods of high volatility. This information is critical to traders who need to know when to enter or exit the market. The dashboard displays a series of emojis to indicate the current state of the market. When the volatility is rising, the uptrend emoji will appear, while the downtrend emoji appears when volatility is declining. Additionally, the Lux volatility can display with a warning sign indicating extra precaution is necessary when the volatility is either too low or too high. The squeeze indicator is a measure of price compression. Higher values of this metric indicate that the market is being compressed into a tighter area, suggesting market prices subject to damping. The squeeze indicator is mostly returned during ranging markets, making it valuable for traders who want to identify the best time to enter or exit the market. The volume sentiment metric aims at returning an estimate of whether most volume came from buying or selling participants. This measure is expressed as a percentage in the range -100 to +100. The value of this metric can sometimes be high or low, even if a candle does not reflect the sentiment, potentially indicating a reversal. This information is crucial for traders who want to gauge market sentiment and make informed trading decisions. Overall, the Lux Algo Premium Indicator Dashboard is a powerful tool for us traders looking to make informed trading decisions. By providing valuable insights into the trend strength, market volatility, price compression, and volume sentiment, the dashboard helps us to stay ahead of the curve and maximize our profits. Okay guys, that was it for this part of the Lux Algo Premium walkthrough series. I hope you found it helpful and informative. And if you're looking to take your trading to the next level, be sure to give the Lux Algo Premium Indicator a try. And don't forget to click my link in the description to get up to a 50% off sale with annual payment. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.